What's going on, guys? Zeddy of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over a couple of the best Bitcoin trading apps for any beginners out there. Okay, so I'm going to be going over both Coinbase and eToro Crypto. If you guys want to get started on either of these places, I'll have some sign-up bonus links and resource links in both the description and comments of this video. Now, personally, I've been trading Bitcoin and other cryptos now for about 7 years. Coinbase, I've got pulled up here. You can see I've got close to like 30,000 in my account. Been using it, since I first got started. It's very easy to use. And then, of course, eToro Crypto. It's like a social trading app. It's really cool. But I'm going to start off over here on the left with, Coinbase. Also, if you guys have any questions about using either of these apps, feel free to message me below in the comments. I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm just going to pull up Bitcoin here as an example, but currently there's about 30 different coins that you can buy, sell, trade, and invest in. But when it comes to Bitcoin, you can receive Bitcoin on here a couple different ways. You can send Bitcoin to people. You can buy things with Bitcoin. You could also pull up, charts on here as well. There's a news feed. You can set notifications, to your phone for getting price alerts. A lot of cool stuff with Coinbase. And then, last but not least, they insure each user there, up to 250K, which is obviously extremely important. All right, so Coinbase is awesome, right? But eToro is also, pretty freaking awesome as well. Now, I only have $1,000 in my account. I do plan on adding more in the coming weeks and months. And I pulled up XRP. This is an altcoin that, I bought on here. But you can see right here that, there is like a feed, for, chatting with, people about different coins. So, if you want to make friends, you can do that on there. And then you can also, chat with people. And it's pretty cool. Now, there's only 15 coins available on eToro. So going to be a little bit less there, but, there are some benefits to using it. All right, so I want to actually pull up, eToro Crypto here, just to kind of go over some really good coins to get started with if you're a beginner. So, let's get into that. All right, so the first coin I would recommend checking out, obviously other than Bitcoin, would be XRP. Now, I do own this on eToro, but, I also own it on Coinbase and a couple other places. It's a banking token. It's got a really good price point. It's been the third most popular altcoin, for the last like 3 years, and there's a lot of potential with XRP. And you can see I'm about to, kind of chime in on one of the feeds here. I just wrote down, let's get XRP to $1. But, this coin has made a lot of partnerships, and it's been stuck in that under 30-cent range for like the last year and a half now. And people think it's going to break out. I'm hoping it gets up to $1 by the end of the year. I'd be pretty happy with that. And, the sky could be the limit with this coin. It could reach $10 at some point in the future. So I do recommend, researching it a little bit, but it is a good coin for beginners. But don't take this as financial advice, guys. Do your own research, but I do actually hold that coin and quite a bit of it. Now, Ethereum is another good coin. It's more of a safe coin to get. It's the second most popular coin right under Bitcoin. It's up for the year, close to 100%. And I do believe if you can get Ethereum between 250 and 300 and under $350 and you're willing to hold on to this coin for a while, I think it's a good one. So, really nothing wrong with it. It's a little bit of a safer play. And then another good coin to check out, which is going to be XLM. All right, so this coin has partnered with Samsung. They've got some other partnerships. It's similar to XRP in that it's going for like the banks, but it's also for individual users. But I don't own any of this coin right now personally, but it's a coin that I've had my eye on. The all-time high on this coin is like around 90 cents. It's been, kind of in that under 10-cent range for the last like year and a half, and a lot of people think it's going to break out. I kind of do as well. That's why I've kind of kept my eye on it. But a coin that I did buy recently was Tron. Now, this one's only going to be available on eToro Crypto. It's not on Coinbase. I'm hoping this one gets up to like 10 cents. That would be awesome. I'm actually down on it. I think like around $100. But, I'm willing to hold on to this one for a while, so we'll see what happens. Okay, anyways, guys, like I said, for beginners, I do recommend Coinbase and eToro Crypto. If you guys want to get started on either of these, apps, I'll have some bonus sign-up links in both the description and comments. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.